Hey Bombshell Beauty. So today I'm going to do a step-by-step eyeshadow tutorial with you guys. So I started out with doing my brows first this time because I am doing a bit of a more dramatic eye. I also, if you have seen me, I like to conceal my eyebrows first and then fill them in. It prevents me from overfilling them in, and I'm able to see the actual shape of the brow better. I am using my Huda Beauty Rose Quartz palette and Morphe palettes. And I take a lighter brown first and start with the cut crease, start carving that out, and then I go in with the darker brown directly in the cut crease, and I'm just using a small brush to contain that and be more precise. Then I take my fluffy brush and I blend that out, and I am applying more products in between. I am now using a paintbrush to carve out the cut crease with like a paste, like a glitter paste, and then I go over with my shimmer from my Rose Quartz palette, and I choose the shimmers that I want, and then I begin to blend those out. I do like a pink shimmer towards the back, and then I do a matte to amplify that in the on top of that, and it is in my outer corner, and then I just kind of wing it out. I love this method, and I love the little ombre effect that it has, because depending on which way you look, I mean, it just gives, you know, shimmer and shine, baby. So then I'm taking like a silver, this is a NYX liquid liner, and I'm putting that in my cut crease, but not all the way to the front. And then I did use a black NYX liner for the wing, of course. And then I am just doing the same process in my under eye, my waterline, and voila.